abazoza ngemuva bathi all protocol observed as established by the program director. And I don't think I'll be offending anyone because you're all acknowledged. All acknowledged. I'll only acknowledge 3 people because I still want to come to KwaZulu-Natal. I love this province. I still want to come to KwaZulu-Natal. I will acknowledge the premier of the province, Babu Ntuli. And I want to congratulate him. One day I came to him, I said, Bukala Premier, if you are there, go away. He listened to me. He never said, who are you? What? How? Gempela. And ukusuka lapho ngambona leader phambili ngathi ya uzwile. Thank you so much, Premier, and congratulations to you. I also want to acknowledge my MEC, Ubaba Hlomuka. Thank you so much, MEC. Ubonakala ngathi dynamite. But dynamites, they come in small pockets. Congratulations, MEC. Kuna abanye MEC masibabhekile bala. But yena is always cool. Is always down, always humble. And I would never expect ukuthi can be number 1. The way he is so humbled. Manje mina ke ngithanda iBhayibheli. Lithi iBhayibheli abazikhukumezayo sizobabeka phansi. Abaphansi sizobaphakamisa. Nge-acknowledge ngokuzithoba umama. People of KwaZulu-Natal, we need to be proud that we have a mother. Umama ohlonishwa umhlaba wonke. And mangibheka mina ngathi South Africa asimniki le respect le ayinikezwa umhlaba wonke. When we travel outside the country, are you from South Africa? Yes, I'm from South Africa. Do you know Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma? Yes. Hey, that woman, that and retiring. But she's not tired. She is retired, but she's not tired. She's always outside the country representing all of us because African leaders, without her, they feel they are not complete. And as people of KwaZulu-Natal, we need to embrace her and embrace that he has taken KwaZulu-Natal and South Africa into the map of the whole world. Mama was so humbled that you are in our midst and that you came to celebrate with your own. Akakhohlwa ke ukuthi ubuya kwaZulu. Akayikhohlwa le ukukhumbuza every day phela mina ngibuya kwaZulu. Oh, okay. Angithi yasikhohlwa nathi sicabanga ukuthi hayi wase South Africa. Kanti uyazi yena lapha ephuma khona. Siyabonga kakhulu bonke bahlonishwa, you have been acknowledged and we really appreciate, and I'm here just to pay congratulatory message. And yes, Uhlomuka is leading, but behind Uhlomuka, there are other MECs that are making sure what education is happening in their space where they operate, in their towns where they live, in their villages where they live, in their constituency offices where they operate from. We know that education cannot be dedicated to one person and say, no, it's me, myself, I. But it wants you as a leader to open your arms very wide to accommodate all stakeholders, partners, and people that will want to work with you. So we appreciate MECs like Uhlomuka. Abanga complain. Abanyo MEC, if you go to their space, they say, what do you want? This is my space. And in education, you cannot operate like that. You need to allow other people to come in. You need to allow partners to come in. You need to allow everybody to come in. So, go Tisha, from HOD and the entire administration of KwaZulu-Natal, I know your plight better. I know your plight better. And imagine, I'm one person who's asking, niphumelele kanjani? Nifike kanjani la? Ngoba thina sithola ubuthongo ngani. but nina ke nikwazile ukufika la. Umkhanya kude Mamkosazana is my district. Yabona sesiyasifaka manje. Umkhanya kude is my district. Or unamanga district director. I'm correct. Thank you so much. We appreciate in all districts. In district okuthiwa uMsila kwaZulu Natal. Ithola 86%. Akuna district uMsila akabeki kahle. Uthi akukho idistrict ethole ngaphansi kuka-80. Ayikho idistrict ethole ngaphansi kuka-85 kwaZulu Natal. And mawubheka lo 86 kwamanye ama-province number 1. Lokuthi naye kwaZulu Natal sithi number Msila, in other provinces number 1. So I'm saying let's only celebrate now. Let's celebrate now, let's not celebrate forever. Ngene babona abantu ebholeni mabadlala ba celebrate baze bakhumulele skipper bavala ubuso. Makaqeda ukuvula ubuso sebafakile igoli ngapha. Nisethe standard for yourself and don't move. Stay there. Stay there. Big as you are, stay there. And money has challenged and we are competing with ourselves. There's no province that will catch up with you. You stay focused, you stay committed,